1346 East 346th virtual tour. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath, 1-car garage in Mentor, Ohio. Really nice house. Let's go. A lot of parking. We just updated it. It's a very nice property. So let's go inside. Put all luxury plank in the living room, both bedrooms and kitchen, all been painted. You can see it looks very nice. New LED lights. Very, very nice home. So you can see here. Bathroom 2's been updated. Same thing here. Granite countertops, all appliances stay. Has a nice whirlpool. You also have a washer and dryer here in your utility room, so that stays. And there's no basement here. It's just a nice slab home that's been updated. Gas cooking. And then it has a bedroom upstairs here. Very compact, easy to get around house. So you can see this is your upstairs bedroom. It goes way back. You got stairs there. So again, and you have vinyl windows here. So again, this is your virtual tour, 1346 East 346. Thank you, and have a great day.